Everyone thinks the best-selling wire wheel for bench grinders is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, OSFT BVT 6-inch wire wheel. Let's kick things off with the OSFT BVT 6-inch wire wheel brush. Priced at just $8.88, this one caught my eye for its promise to tackle rust, burrs, and paint efficiently. If you want a budget-friendly option that excels in removing tough materials, this is worth a serious look. It's designed to remove rust or paint quickly, boosting your efficiency on projects. With over 929 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clearly making an impact. Plus, it comes with a dual arbor size that fits both 1/2-inch and 5/8-inch bench grinders, meaning it can adapt to different setups easily. Now, some people complained about the wire bristles shedding a bit during use. Here's the thing though, while some loss is normal, the overall performance is still impressive for the price. If you're mainly dealing with light to moderate cleanup tasks, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or DIYer looking for a reliable, cost-effective option. Skip this one if you're a professional needing something more heavy-duty. For under $9, you're getting solid value for money. Now, if the shedding issue would bother you, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, DEWALT wire wheel. Next up is the DEWALT wire wheel for bench grinder. At $17.99, it may cost a bit more, but it has a strong reputation with a 4.7-star rating from 2,800 reviews. If you want a well-balanced wheel that offers smooth performance, this is worth considering. It's designed for metal surfaces and constructed with high-spec wire grades, which means it's not only effective but built to last. At 8 inches in diameter, it provides a generous surface area, making it suitable for both big jobs and detailed work. The even balance eliminates vibrations, which is crucial for maintaining control during use. However, some users mention that it can be a bit aggressive on softer metals. Now, that might not be ideal if you're working with delicate materials, but if you need to tackle challenging tasks, this wheel shines. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious DIYer who needs reliability and safety in your tools. Skip this one if you're just doing light work. For the performance it offers, the price feels justified. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a versatile tool. Product number 3, Forney 72747 wire brush. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Forney 72747 wire bench wheel brush, priced at $10.49. With a 4.5-star rating from 3,000 reviews, this one is definitely catching attention. If you're looking for something that handles light to medium-duty jobs, this is worth a serious look. It's rated for up to 6,000 RPM, which means it can really keep up with your bench grinder. This feature is essential for efficiency and ensuring a smooth finish on your projects. Plus, it fits both 1/2-inch and 5/8-inch arbors, giving you flexibility. However, some users felt it could wear out a bit quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're not tackling heavy rust or paint removal, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's ideal for those lighter tasks where precision is key. This is perfect for you if you're doing detailed refinishing work or light rust removal. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty option. With its price and quality, it's a solid choice. If you want a more compact option, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, OSFT BVT 6-inch wire wheel 2-pack. Next on the list is another offering from OSFT BVT, their 6-inch wire wheel brush, but this time it's a 2-pack for $14.99. That's pretty appealing if you're looking for value. With a 4.3-star rating and nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clear this has its supporters. If you need a backup wheel or work on multiple projects, this is worth a look. Just like its single counterpart, this 2-pack also features crimped carbon steel wire with a grit of 0.012 inches, providing excellent rust and paint removal capabilities. The fact that you get 2 for a reasonable price means you're set for a longer time without needing to reorder. Plus, it maintains the same quality as the previous model, which is reassuring. Some users noted that the packaging could be better, leading to some wear during shipping. But honestly, once you get it on the grinder, it performs just as expected, so it doesn't really impact functionality. This is perfect for you if you frequently work on various metal surfaces and want a reliable backup. Skip this one if you prefer a single wheel for precision work. For the price of less than $15 for two, it's definitely worth your money. Now, if you're looking for a smaller size or a slightly different design, let's check out the last product. Product number 5, Ivy Classic 5-inch wire wheel. Rounding out our list is the Ivy Classic 5-inch wire wheel priced at $7.66. With a 4.6-star rating from 741 reviews, this is a solid option for those needing something compact. If you need a small but effective wire wheel, this is worth considering. At 5 inches in diameter and a max RPM of 4,500, it's perfect for smaller jobs where precision is important. The arbor fits both 5/8 and 1/2-inch sizes, allowing it to work with a variety of grinders. That said, some users found that it may not be as effective for larger areas or heavy-duty tasks. Here's the thing, if you're mostly tackling smaller projects or touch-ups, this won't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you're working on small parts or doing light touch-ups. Skip this one if you need something for bigger jobs. At under $8, it's a great value for those smaller tasks. So to wrap it all up, we started with the budget-friendly OSFT BVT 6-inch wheel, moved to the reliable DEWALT, tackled the fine forney, explored the value-packed OSFT BVT 2-pack, and finished with the compact Ivy Classic. Each has its strengths and best uses, so think about your specific needs when making a choice.